Hello, hello, hello. Happy World Autism Acceptance Day. There are three amazing things that you can do right now today that will really help. Number one, follow an autistic creator today. There are loads on Facebook. Please drop your favorite person's name in the chat below, in the comments, wherever. Follow somebody, share a name, share it with someone you know. Number two, listen to the autistic person in your life and find one thing you can do, just one thing that will make their lives more pleasant, easier, less stressful, and do it. Number three, really, really importantly, I've got something really special for you. Think about joy. There is so much time that we spend just trying to navigate being autistic in non-autistic spaces, being accepted, working out what to do, navigating school spaces, workspaces, the environment, everything around us. That is tiring, stressful, and difficult. We need to flip that and make sure that there is also time for joy, time for things that really matter, time for things that keep us wanting to be part of the same world that everyone else lives in. So just for this week until the end of Sunday, until the end of, I'm trying to remember what the date is going to be on Sunday, until the end of the 6th of April, I'm offering you my Autistic Joy webinar for just £5. You can get it for just £5. So I'll put the link in the description. Go there, get it. It will be the best hour that you spent. Have a wonderful day. Take care of yourselves. Be kind. Bye.